Hey, what is up people, I'm back with another video. So I have a fantastic game to show you. This game was played by Nicholas Rosolimo and Romanenko in 1948. This is one of the notable chess games of Rosolimo. Rosolimo had white pieces and he started with e4, c5, knight f3, knight c6 and now bishop b5, the Rosolimo attack. Here black has many options. First is queen b6 attacking the bishop. Second is e6, black can play g6 and also knight f6. Here the most played move is e6. In the game, black played the move g6, white castles here, bishop g7, continuing developing, rook e1, knight f6, knight c3 and now nd4 by black. Here the general opening principle says that you should develop your pieces first and castle to the safety. Here white's 3 pieces are developed and he has also castled, while black's king is still in the center. Here castling was a good move for black. Black moved the knight on c6 again, played nd4, intending to capture the bishop on b5. So e5 by white, attacking the knight. If knight cross b5, then white can capture e cross f6, and after knight cross c3, f cross g7, rook g8 is forced, and then d cross c3, white is a clear piece up. So in this position, after e5, black played ng8, d3, opening the dark square bishop's diagonal. Black captured the bishop, knight cross b5, knight cross b5, and now the move a6. So what to do with the knight? There is this move which is asking itself to be played, and that move is nd6 check. Here, the good move for black was to play king f8. In the game, black captured the knight e cross d6. First, white played this in-between move, bishop g5, developing the piece with tempo, attacking the queen. Here f6 is not playable as e cross f6 will win piece for white as it is check to the king. Queen a5 was played, and now white captured e cross d6 check. King f8, only move, or you can block with the pieces and give up some pieces. Black played king f8. And now pause the video and try to find the move that white played in this game. Queen to e2 is also winning. Black can play bishop cross b2, and after queen e8 check, king g7. This position is still winning for white. In the game, white played this direct killer move, that is rook e8 check, sacrificing the rook, king cross e8, which is the only move for black, queen e2 check, king f8, and now bishop e7 check. Here black has two options. First is to capture the bishop with the knight, and second is king e8. Let's see what happens if knight captures on e7. If knight captures the bishop on e7, then comes queen cross e7 check, king g8, which is the only move, and then comes ng5, threatening checkmate on f7, and you can't save this threat, so white is winning in this position. Let's go back. King e8, and now the king has come in the discovery. Here white played another exclamation mark move, bishop d8 check. It is check from the queen and also sacrificing the bishop. If king goes to the f8 square, not accepting the sacrifice, then bishop cross a5, and white is a queen up. White will still win this game. In the game, black captured king cross d8 but resigned after white's next move. And the move is ng5. The threat is knight takes f7 checkmate, and if you try to guard the f7 square with knight h6, then queen e7 is checkmate in 1. This short game showed us how white checkmated the black king from being only one tempo up, as black didn't castle and moved the same piece twice. In the end, a position for you to solve. It is black to play, and I will wait for your answer in the comment section. For more videos, do consider subscribing to my channel and share this video with your friends and family.